In this video, I'm going to show you Elacity. It's a tutorial video. If you want to know what Elacity is, I made a separate video about that. Be sure to scan this QR code that you're seeing right now, or find that video on my YouTube channel by searching for it. Now, let's go. So Elacity is basically the OpenSea of Elastos in a multiverse, and they have a Bella series, which is native to Elacity, and that represents the spirit of Web3 with only 500 of them made. They are the pearls of Elastos. Now, Bellas should make you smile. They are diverse and playful. They come from within the community, and whether for yourself or as a present, they hope to see them stand the test of time as a desirable must-have Elastos NFT collectible. Now, if you want to learn more about Elastos, which is the project where Elacity is built on, be sure to check out the QR code that I'm showing you right now, or search Elastos on my channel. Now, what's good to know is that you also need a Bella before you can post a video, but I'll talk more about that later. So let's just have a look right now. First, we can go to the About page, and then that will take you to the documents where you can read everything there is about Elacity. So that's on the left side over here. Now up here you have the search, where you can search for things on Elacity. So it could be other collections as well. And then we have the home button. And if you press the home button, you will be taken to your shop. Now it shows you the videos, the free, the buy now, resell. It shows you the NFTs. No NFT found because I don't have any NFTs. Minted, collections, favorites, activity, incoming offers, and offers made, right? So here you can see all those things like NFTs, video sales, listings, and so on, right? Another one I want to show you is my vault. I don't have anything in my vault right now. I'm not hosting anything as well. And this has to do with the Hive vault, and this is being discussed in my Elacity video. Right, then the next button, we've got the Explore and Collections, and then we've got the video page. But before I show you guys that, let me move on to the right side where we have to create. So we can create an image or a video. We can change the network that we're on. Right now we're on the Elastos Smart Chain. We can change the Ethereum, Polygon, Binance, or the EVM Cosmos. You can change the theme. So I've got it set to dark, but you can change it to light as well. And then here you have your profile with your address, affiliate links, and then your balance. Right, now before you see that, you need to connect your wallet. And the best way to do that, let me disconnect real quick. The best way to do that is by using the MetaMask one. Now you can use the Essentials one that's native to Elastos. You can use Wallet Connect for a different one, but the developers of Elacity told me that the best way to do this is by using the MetaMask one. So MetaMask will give you a pop-up which you need to sign, and then once you've signed it, you will be logged in into this website, where you will see this information again. Right, now let's go to the images because this is where the collectibles are. So we've got art, we've got collectibles, we've got photography, and we've got utility, domain name services, AI generative images, gaming, and memberships. What's great to know is this left menu, because you can search for the sale type. So you can search for buy now, which can be bought now. Then you can see which ones has offers. So you can deselect or select both of them. On auction isn't available, neither has bids. And then you can search through collections. So we've got the Bella series, we've got the Bunny Punk, which I saw on the Telegram channel of them as well. The founder of this is active there. So if you have any questions about this collection, go to collectibles to see it. But if you have any questions about this collection, the owner is in the Telegram group. So you can reach out to him there and ask your questions. Then we've got the Funds Club, which is a different version. So as you can see, these are basically the NFTs as we know them. Same goes with the OpenSea. They've got more collections available which you can browse and search for. Now you can also find the price, so you can get a from or to ratio. So that way you don't see anything that's too expensive for you. And if you really want to filter something out, you can go over here and then you can select recently listed, recently created, sold, most viewed, most liked, highest price, lowest price, by end date, and all is created. Now let's see the highest price just for the sake of this tutorial. 10 million ELA. That's a lot, but maybe it's worth it. Who knows, right? So that's in the Explore page of Elacity. Now you can go to the collections as well, where you can find all the different collections you just saw on the left-hand menu. You can import, have an existing collection and want to add it to Elacity, register your existing smart contract here, or you can create a dedicated collection for 3 ELA. either just you or others can mint data to this new smart contract. You decide. So that's it for the imagery or collections or however you want to call it. And then comes the video part. Now, what's important to know is that this looks or resembles like something like YouTube, but it's kind of not. The difference is that you have the option to bring out your footage for free, to have it buy now or buy now and resell. So for instance, this video from me is free, but I've also made a different video which is costing 0.16 ELA. And then I've got another video which is free again. And then I've got one, an Elacity exclusive. Be sure to check this out, which can be purchased for 5 ELA. This has all kinds of tools and tips and tricks for you to do your own research with projects. So I highly recommend it. Now you've got the Explore up here. You've got the history, which will show you the videos that you've watched. You've got the watch later list. And then you've got the your videos, which is now empty because I don't have anything in my high vault. Now let's go back again. And let's say you want to create a video, right? So you need to go up here, create, and then select video. Now, here's the fun part, because to publish on Elacity, you need to own a Bella or use an affiliate link from a holder. Now you need to purchase one or request a link in our community chat or via Elacity on X. I have one, so it's very important that you are signed in and then use the affiliate link to be able to post your video. So I went to their Telegram group and I have asked for an affiliate link and they've given me one. So that means we can now upload something on Elacity without owning a Bella. Now I need to drag and drop some files here or click to select files. Only MP4 is supported up to 1 gigabyte. So I'm going to upload my video. So now it's uploading. It's a video about Fidium and now we can click continue. Now, here's the interesting part. How would you like those to access your content? So you can pick free, buy once, play always, or buy once, play always, and resell. Now, if you pick the buy once, play all, and resell, you give the people that buy your content the ability to resell it for a value much lower. As a content creator, for me personally, that's not very interesting because I can get undercut with my price, which means that my videos will never be sold for the original price anymore. But for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to choose buy once, play always, and resell for the simple reason that you will see all the steps that there are. Now, how much do you want to get paid per sale? I'm going to say 0.16 ELA because that will probably cover the costs of me uploading this video. I'm going to click OK. Now, who do you need to distribute trading fees to? So select a stakeholder and add an address. So you can go for the creator, publisher, distributor, or investor. I'm going to pick creator, which is me. I'm going to fetch my address up here in the profile page and then paste it in here. And then the value needs to be 100% in total. So we've got Elacity that's taking 5%, the affiliation 3%, which means that I can ask for 92%. I'm going to click next. And then who do you need to distribute trading fees to? You are about to create content that your buyers can sell again. Please define the cut the seller will earn from such a trade. Now, setting it too high, you won't get any. Setting it too low, it might not be interesting for someone to buy this and resell it. So I'm just going to put it on 15%. I'm going to click continue. And then the next step is to add a thumbnail image, which has to be 1280 by 720 pixels. So here's the thumbnail for the video. I'm going to click continue. And then what is the title of your asset? So in this case, I'm going to say Fidium exposed. I'm going to click OK. And then what's the description of your asset? Obviously, I already have it ready because I have already posted this on YouTube. So I'm just going to copy and paste it from there. Click OK, and then add tags and select category with subcategories. So I'm going to add the tags and I'm going to add a category. So in this case, I'm going for business and finance, and then I'm going to change it to investing and trading, which matches the Fidium project. I'm going to click OK. How many access tokens do you need? Well, let's just say 9,999. Click OK. And then you get a summary, independent creator, video, buy once, play always, resell. So this is the axis that you set it to, cost per sale. It shows the uploaded asset, the thumbnail image, the trading fee distribution. Then we've got the title, the asset description, and then our tags. Now we can click submit because we want this video to be live. And then please wait while we prepare, encrypt, and upload your NFT. This may take a few minutes. Now the first time this happened, I was waiting for a very, very long time. But it turns out you have to open up your wallet. You need to confirm it. Contract interaction is now pending. If you don't see it, at first it said it was cancelled. So I went to activity, it said cancelled, and now I just clicked it again, reactivated it, and it should work. Now, First, you need to open up your wallet again because there's a new pop-up and that says allow access to and transfer all of your NFTs from this collection. If you click that one open, you'll be taken to this page, which will probably be the address of this NFT. So I'm going to go back to MetaMask and I'm going to approve it by clicking confirm and approve. And there you see your asset has been minted successfully. Now here's the video. We can now play it. And once we've clicked play, we need to sign it in MetaMask. So I'm going to click OK. And now the video is playing. So I'm going to pause that real quick. And I'm going to show you something. We've got the sell access. We can click that. So we can sell the access token, the price, quantity. You have a listing of this NFT, blah, blah, blah. By submitting this new listing, the old will be overwritten. I'm going to click cancel. This is the price that we're going to ask for this video. And here it shows that this content is protected. You have the right to read and play. Now we can leave a comment. Great video. And to click enter, and here it is. Great video. It's uploaded 2 minutes ago. So that's the very easy process of uploading your content. I do have to say that signing all of this in the meantime made me question if I was doing it the right way. Luckily I was, so I did it first so you guys don't have to figure out the wheel. But eventually it's just signing a couple of requests and then your content will be uploaded. So that's very easy. Now let me show you the next step, which is actually purchasing something from someone else. But before we do, let me show you a free one. So I'm going to click this one and I could just play this for free because this person did not have a purchase price. I'm going to this guy, the Crypto for Light, which actually funny. I've contacted him on Twitter like in October, never spoke to him. He never replied, but let's purchase this for the sake of this tutorial. Here we see a red thing. This content is protected. You need access token to read and play. What is he going to do in this video? I'll share with you what is market cap for crypto coins, why it's important. Okay, so I'm going to click this and then it says owned amount. I don't have any, but I do want to buy one. So I'm going to hit 1, I'm going to click pay, and now it's processing. MetaMask is popping up again. It's going to ask me to pay for it. I'm going to confirm. It's processing again. And then I have to open up MetaMask again. I need to sign it. And then there you go. Look, I have access to this video. You have the right to read and play. Now let's play it. And you see that the video is now starting to play. So it's very easy to purchase one. You just click this button, go to your MetaMask, sign a couple of requests again, and then you will be able to watch the content that you want to watch. Now, what's important to know, and this is some of the notes that the founders or the developers gave me, is that what they want to sell to the world is a digital rights platform which you are in control of. Hence the reason I'm showing you how to mint your videos. For instance, you can do this with collections as well if you have an NFT collection. And then how you can make sure that you benefit from your content, or at least that you're in control of how you want to monetize your content, rather than, let's say, YouTube that takes a 45% cut. Now, if you go for the buy now, play always option when minting, that doesn't have a secondary market, which means that people can only buy it from you, watch it, but they can't resell it. So then that way you don't have the option or the risk of being undercut by someone else that is trying to sell your content on the secondhand market. And one of the final things that I want to show you, or that I want to mention to you, is that sometimes up here you see a warning sign or a pop-up. That's the right word. You see a pop-up saying that the session has expired. And that has to do with the fact that sessions stay active for 8 hours. And if the 8 hours are gone, you will have to relink your wallet or basically re-sign in. And then you have a fresh session. So that was it about Elacity. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Doei!